Two army men including an officer were killed while another soldier was injured after militants ambushed an army patrol in Zaipura village of Shopian district early Thursday. Officials said that an army major and two soldiers were injured in the attack. The injured were airlifted to 92 base hospital in Srinagar for treatment where major and a soldier succumbed. Meanwhile, Hizbul Mujahideen militant outfit claimed the responsibility of the attack. Hizb said that such attacks will continue across Kashmir Valley. Kashmir Press Service, Srinagar. This news is brought to you by Hotel CS2, where quality rules. Contact Hotel CS2, Salwar Bagh, Srinagar, Kashmir. Phone number 0194246850 2468 Reservation at Hotel CS2. Log on www.hotelcs2.com.